Hello student of class 12. This video is the continuation part of your previous video vector algebra. Here it is given that find the vector alpha which is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector which satisfies the relation alpha dot beta equal to 21 where beta equal to I minus 4j minus 5k. Okay. Let A equal to this vector and B equal to this vector. Then A cross B, this is equal to, we have to find A cross B in this way, and this is A cross B. Okay? By the problem, the required vector alpha is perpendicular to A cross B. It is given. Again, A cross B also perpendicular to both A and B. So, hence, alpha must be parallel to A cross B. By the condition when two vectors are parallel, then I can write alpha equal to m into A cross B. That is m into 21i minus 21j minus 21k. And it is given that another condition is alpha dot beta equal to 21. So I can write 21mi minus 21mj minus 21mk dot 3i plus 5j minus k, that means beta, this is equal to 21. I can write it in this way, 21m into 3 minus 21 into 21m into 5 minus 21m into minus 1, that is plus 21, this is 21. So 21 is cancelled out from both sides. Then I can write 3m minus 5m plus m, this equal to 1. That is 3 plus 4 minus m, this is equal to 1, that is m equal to minus 1. Question is find a vector alpha which is perpendicular to both A and B. So alpha equal to m into A cross B. So m equal to minus 1, 21i minus 21j minus 21k. This is A cross B. So minus 21i plus 21j plus 21k. This is vector, this is alpha. Clear? Next problem. When two vectors are perpendicular, then alpha, if alpha and beta two vectors, then dot product of two vectors must be 0. When two vectors are perpendicular to each other, if vector alpha equal to a1i plus b1j plus c1k and beta, this is alpha, this is beta, a2i plus b2j plus c2k. If alpha and beta is perpendicular, then alpha dot beta equal to 0. And if alpha and beta both are parallel, then a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Okay, I am ending here. Next sum will come in next video.